Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my video. I hope you are happy and doing well today. I am very excited to share this lesson with you. Today, I want to share something very important and helpful. Many people ask the same question. How can I learn English fast? Some people feel confused when they start learning English. They do not know where to begin. Some people think English is very difficult, but the truth is, it is not so hard. If you follow the right steps, you can learn English quickly and easily. In this video, I will show you some simple steps. These steps are very easy, and anyone can follow them. You do not need any special skill to start, so please listen carefully till the end. Learning English is not difficult. You just need the right method and daily practice. If you stay consistent, you will improve step by step. Remember, small progress is still progress. Step 1. Practice every day. Practice is the key to success. Without practice, you cannot improve. When you practice daily, your mind becomes stronger. Try to speak a little English every day. Even one sentence is enough to start. You don't always need a partner. You can practice alone at home. This is called self-talk. Self-talk is very simple. Just say what you are doing in English. You can also talk about your thoughts. For example, I am waking up. I am brushing my teeth. I am cooking. I am going to school. You can also say, I am feeling happy today. It may feel funny at first, but it really works. Do not feel shy when you practice alone. If you do this every day, your brain will start thinking in English. Step 2. Listen every day. Listening is very powerful. It helps you understand real English. When you listen, you learn pronunciation and rhythm. You can listen to English songs, English news, YouTube videos. You can also listen to short conversations. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. That is completely normal. Even advanced learners do not understand everything. Just listen again and again. Slowly, you will understand more. Your ears will become familiar with English sounds. Think about a baby. A baby listens first, then starts speaking. The baby learns step by step. You can learn the same way. Step 3. Read every day. Reading helps you learn new words and sentences. It also improves your understanding. Start with easy content, short stories, simple articles. You can also read children's books. Do not start with difficult books. If it is too hard, you may feel tired and you may lose interest. Try to read loudly. This will improve your speaking, too. It will also improve your confidence. Reading helps your pronunciation, vocabulary, confidence. Step 4. Write every day. Writing makes your English clear and strong. It helps you organize your thoughts. Start small. Write a few sentences daily. Do not try to write too much at the beginning. For example, today I woke up early. I went to school. I met my friend. Or write about your plans. Tomorrow, I will study English. I will visit my uncle. You can also write about your feelings. Writing helps you think in English and improve your grammar. It also helps you remember new words. Important tips. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Every mistake teaches you something new. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. Repeat every day. Repetition is very important. If you repeat, you remember. If you stop, you forget. Also, enjoy the learning process. Learning should be fun, not stressful. Do not think English is a burden. You can watch movies, listen to songs, read interesting stories. You can even talk to yourself while watching something. When you enjoy learning, you learn faster. Your mind becomes more active. At first, you may know only a few words. You may feel nervous when you speak. You may speak slowly. You may feel shy. But slowly, everything will change. Your fear will become confidence. You will speak better. You will feel more confident. Confidence is very important. It makes your English strong and clear. It helps you speak without fear. If you follow these steps every day, speak, listen, read, write, you will see a big improvement in your English. Your skills will grow day by day. English is not far from you. It is very close. You just need time, practice, and patience. Never give up on your learning journey. Start today. Do not wait for tomorrow. Speak one sentence. Listen for 5 minutes. Read 1 page. Write 3 lines. This small routine can change your life. Do this every day, and your English will grow step by step. So, my dear friends, before I say goodbye, I want to tell you something from my heart. Learning English is not just about language. It is about changing your life. It is about opening new doors. It is about becoming a better version of yourself. Maybe today you feel shy. Maybe today you feel slow. Maybe today you feel that your English is not good enough. But please remember one thing. Every expert was once a beginner. Every fluent speaker you see today started just like you, with simple words, small sentences, and many mistakes. So, never feel ashamed. Never compare yourself with others. Your journey is your own. Your progress is your own. Just focus on one thing. Keep going. Even if you learn 1 word a day, you are moving forward. Even if you speak 1 sentence a day, you are improving. Slow progress is still progress. There will be days when you feel tired. There will be days when you want to quit. But on those days, remember why you started. Remember your dream. Remember your goal. Remember the person you want to become. Because one day, you will speak English confidently. You will understand easily. You will express your thoughts without fear. And on that day, you will look back and smile and say, "Yes, I did it." So, believe in yourself. Trust the process. Stay consistent and never give up. I believe in you, and I know you can do this. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Your support means everything to me. If this video helped you even a little, please give it a like. Share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and grow with you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Smooth English Talks, for more simple, easy, and powerful English learning videos. We are building a strong learning community together, and I am very happy to have you here with me. Take care of yourself. Keep practicing. Keep smiling and keep speaking English every day. Hello, my dear friends. Today, I want to share my story with you. It is about my family and how I practice English every single day. This story is also about learning English. It is about daily life practice. It shows how small steps can change your future. So listen carefully till the end. I live in a small town. My home is simple, but it is full of love. My family is small. There are 3 members. My father, my mother, and me. We are not rich, but we are very happy. My father is a hard-working man. Every morning he wakes up early. He goes to work before sunrise. He works in an office, and he helps many people. Even when he is tired, he never complains. He smiles and says, "Remember, hard work always brings success." My mother is very kind and loving. She takes care of the home. She cooks delicious food every day. She helps me with my homework. When I feel sad, she hugs me and says, "Don't worry, my son. Try again. You will do better." Her words give me courage. My parents always tell me to study well. They say education is your power. It will change your life. I listen to their advice carefully. I want to make them proud one day. I study in a school in my town. It is not very big, but it is very nice. The classrooms are clean. There is a playground where we play football and cricket. There is also a library with many books. I love spending time there. My teachers are very good. They explain lessons slowly. They never get angry when we make mistakes. They always encourage us. My favorite subject is English. I like English because it connects me to the whole world. My English teacher is my favorite teacher. He is very kind and friendly. He always tells us, "English is not difficult. You just need practice every day." He gives us small tasks. He says, "Write 5 sentences daily. Speak in English with your friends. Read 1 page from a book." I try to follow his advice. When I am at school, I speak English with my friends. Sometimes we laugh when we make mistakes. But our teacher says, "Mistakes are the best teachers. Don't stop. Keep going." After school, I come home and wash my hands. My mother serves me lunch. Then I rest for a short time. After that, I sit at my study table. I finish my homework for all subjects. Then I start my English practice. First, I read 1 short story in English. Then I write 5 new words. I use each word in a short sentence. I read my sentences loudly. This helps me improve my speaking. Sometimes I watch English cartoons or short videos. I listen to how they speak. I try to copy their style. It is fun and I learn fast. At night, my father sits with me. He asks me to tell him a story in English. I speak slowly and clearly. Sometimes I forget words, but my father smiles and says, "Don't worry, you are doing great. Just keep practicing." Every Sunday, I make my weekly plan. I write it in English in my notebook. My plan is simple. Read at least 1 page every day. Write 5 new words. Make short sentences. Speak to myself in English. Listen to English audio or video. This plan helps me stay focused. I also write my goals. My big goal is to speak English fluently. I want to travel to other countries. I want to meet people and talk with them in English. I want to learn about new cultures and new ideas. Sometimes learning is not easy. Sometimes I feel lazy. Sometimes I feel tired, but I remember my teacher's words. Practice makes you perfect. So, even if I feel sleepy, I still read 1 page. This is my small promise to myself. I dream of becoming an English teacher one day. I want to teach children. I want to tell them don't be afraid. Speak slowly. Speak with courage. English is your friend. I also want to write my own English stories. I want to publish them in books. I want people around the world to read my stories. I want them to feel happy and motivated. Now, my dear friends, I want to tell you something. If I can learn English, you can too. I was very shy before. I was afraid to speak. But now I try every day. I speak slowly, but I speak clearly. I make mistakes, but I learn from them. Please, don't give up. Read one page every day. Write one sentence every day. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Watch easy English videos. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Do not feel shy. Do not feel afraid. We all make mistakes, but mistakes are our steps to success. One day you will speak English with confidence. You will talk to people from different countries. You will feel very happy. I believe in myself. I also believe in you. We can learn together. We can grow together. We can make our dreams come true. Thank you so much for listening to my story about my family, my school, and my English practice. I hope my story inspires you. Please keep practicing every day. Keep smiling, keep reading, keep speaking English. See you in my next story. Take care, my friends. Bye-bye.